Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 14 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom the. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture. Here is a project description. As you can see that you can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. As a student assistant in the Office of Academic Programs, you are charged with finalizing a one-page summary of a program change for your university. You will use tiles and columns to format and arrange text. In addition, a watermark and document properties identify the document ownership and subject matter. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Word, download and open the file name exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this file Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is display non-printing characters. Insert text from carriers.docs in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. Basically in this question you will have to apply non-printing characters on this document. First go to the Word file, then you will go to the home tab, then go to the paragraph section, then click on this button non-printing characters. Click on this. The non-printing characters are applied on this document. Move to the instruction file. The next part of this question is insert text from carrier.docs in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. Simply you will go to the end of the document. At the end of document, now you will have to insert text from a carrier.docs file. Then go to the insert tab, then go to the text group, then click on this object group, click on this, then text from file, click on this button. Now you will go to the file, this one carrier.docs, click on this. Now you will have to insert a new paragraph at the end of this document carriers. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is scroll to the top of the page 1, apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about, then apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading research and careers, modify the heading 2 style to the font color of black, text 1 and a font size to 16. The first part is scroll to the top of the page 1, then apply the heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. First you will scroll to the top of the document, select this heading about, apply heading to style. Select this, then go to the home tab, then apply heading to style. This one, click on this heading to style. Then also apply the heading to style to the paragraph headings research and careers. Same you will have to apply the heading to style to the paragraph heading research and careers. First you will have to select this heading research, then apply heading to style, this one, then select this, then apply heading to style. And the last part of this, modify the heading to style to the font color of black, text 1 and a font size of 16. Now you will have to modify the heading to style. Click on this. First you will have to apply the font color of black. Click on this format tab, click on font, font color to black, black text 1, this one, select this color. And the next part is, and a font size of 16, font size of 16, this one, then press OK. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, apply title style to the report heading career focus and center the heading. First part is this. Then go to the file, select career focus, then apply the title style and then center the heading. Then go to the home tab, styles group, then click on title, this one, and center this. And the next part of this question is, insert a hard return after the report heading and type agriculture in your future. Go to the file, click on it and press enter and type a text agriculture. Agriculture in your future. Agriculture in your future. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, apply book title style to the subheading agriculture in your future. Change the font size of the subheading to 14 and center the heading. Go to the file, apply the font style to book style. Book title. And then change the font size of this subheading to 14. Then we will go to the home tab, then 14 and center the subheading. Go to the paragraph section, then click on the center align this. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is select all report text from about through the end of the document. Do not select the two heading lines. Change the number of columns to 2. Ensure that a line display between the column. Basically in this question you will have to select all the text at the bottom of about heading, and then you will have to convert this text into two columns. After converting this text, then apply a line between these two columns and go to the files, select all the text, then go to the layout tab, then go to the page setup section, then click on this column, apply two columns, this one. As you can see that our whole text are converted into two columns. Ensure that a line display between the columns. Now you will have to insert a line between these columns. Same, click on these columns, then more columns, and also check this box line between, and then press OK. As you can see that the line are now inserted between these two columns. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is insert a column break before the research heading near the end of the left column. In this question, you will have to insert a page break, column break before the research heading. Go to the file, this one research heading. Click on this, then go to the layout tab in the page setup group. Click on this breaks tab. Click on this, then column. Basically you will have to insert a column break. Click on this column. The column break are now inserted. We have now completed 7 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.